Dear students, in this video, I am recording and explaining about the difference between cash discount and trade discount. Before understanding the differences, first let me make you guys understand the basic about this trade discount and cash discount. Assume you are buying a shirt in a store, okay? That time you are you are buying 1000 worth valued shirt at a rate of 900 rupees. What does it mean? It means that the seller, okay, the supplier of that goods has given you 100 rupees of discount, right? So you have seen the advertisements in the stores, in the market, saying that 10% discount, 20% discount. That is what we call it as a trade discount. When a manufacturer or a seller gives a kind of discount on the price of that particular good, that we call it as a trade discount. Okay, but what is this cash discount is? Cash discount is, assume you have purchased a refrigerator for your home worth rupees 20,000 on a credit basis. Okay, on a credit basis, for which you are paying regularly EMI for next 1 year, something like that. So assume that you have paid the money properly 11 months, and the 12th month, the seller of that good, okay, the creditor may say you that no need to give the last installment because you have paid a whole amount properly. We appreciate that because you have paid it regularly without any delays or anything, and you paid the full amount. The last installment is a discount for you. Okay, that is a kind of cash discount. Okay, here when we are seeing the differences between this cash discount and a trade discount, you can see who are the parties involved in this um, trade discount and cash discount. In trade discount, the parties involved are manufacturer and the supplier, or the supplier who is giving the material. Okay, that person, the seller, the manufacturer or a supplier of that particular goods may give some sort of discount when we are buying that goods from that particular person. That is what we call it as a trade discount. Okay, what is cash discount? In this, the parties involved are it is the wholesaler and the buyer. Wholesaler and the buyer, the person who has given us a goods, and when we are, if in case of the credit transactions, the person who is paying the amount to that uh, uh, goods which he or she has purchased, that time a discount will be given for regular payment of goods or services like that. We call that is a cash discount. Okay, so here what is the purpose of this trade discount? To help the retailer to earn some profit. Here it may be to make the retailer to earn some profit, or to make retailer feel happy and buy again in our business. Whatever it may be the reason, here they have said that to make the retailer earn some profit. Next, cash discount is to encourage prompt payment within a stipulated period. Like I said, when you are regularly paying that amount to your creditor, obviously it shows that you are prompt, okay, you are credible enough to pay the amount if in case you buy any goods on credit. Okay, when you have a confidence that if I pay the amount regularly, last installment or something I will get as a discount, I don't need to pay. That encourages the people to pay the amount on a particular period. Okay, next, time when allowed. So it is allowed on the purchase of the goods. Trade discount is allowed on the purchase of the goods. Cash discount is allowed when payment is made within the specified period. So when you are buying the goods, I mean you are buying a shirt in a uh, store, obviously that time when you are purchasing a goods, you are getting a trade discount. But after purchasing, when you are paying the EMIs of that refrigerator, for example, which I have given already, okay, that time if you made the payments on time within that specified period, you will get a cash discount. Okay, next, variations. Trade discount is usually given at the same rate, which is applicable to all the customers and will vary with the quantity purchased. So usually trade discount is for all the customers will be almost same. Like whether I am buying the shirt or my friend is buying the shirt or somebody else is buying the shirt, that will be 10% of discount, means 10% of trade discount will be given to everyone. And also it depends on the quantity of we purchase. If they may say that if you are buying two shirts, okay, it may be 25% of discount. Okay, if you are buying one shirt, only 10% of discount. If you are buying two shirt, 25% of discount, like that. The quantity, based on the quantity, the trade discount rate may vary. But when it comes to cash discount, it varies from customer to customer depending on the time and the period of payment. Cash discount is not the same for everyone. If I am paying on time, okay, I may get some discount. If somebody is not paying on time, that person may not get the discount. Okay, that is how cash discount will vary depending on the customer's time period and payment period. Next, the disclosure. Trade discount, it is shown by way of deduction in the invoice itself. Like a shirt worth rupees 100 minus discount of shirt worth rupees 1000 minus discount of rupees 100. The price paid by the customer is rupees 900. That is how trade discount will be shown on the invoice, the bill itself. Okay, in a cash discount, it is not shown in the invoice, but it will be given later once the customer pay the amount regularly. Okay, a ledger. In the ledger account, a separate account is not opened in the ledger for the trade discount. Okay, but when it comes to uh, a cash discount, a separate account is opened in the ledger for discount received and discount allowed. If you observe that, when we were preparing that personal account books, okay, we had one problem showing trade discount. 15,000 worth rupees goods were purchased and for which 10% trade discount was received. When we record any transactions, okay, sales or purchases in the account ledger book, we don't record a separate entry for a trade discount. But when it comes to a cash discount, we record it as discount allowed or discount received. Okay, discount is allowed if you are selling a goods. Discount is received if we are purchasing a goods. So that will be recorded in the ledger books, but trade discount will not separately be recorded in a ledger books. Okay, that is the difference between a cash discount and a trade discount.